Welcome back to my next video. Here we're going to be talking about finding the right market product fit as a market affiliate. So we're going to answer some of the common questions regarding finding the proper promotions and products to promote. I'm kind of going to continue with the example I've used in previous videos where I talk about promoting Reebok shoes for CrossFitters. I may also throw in a few other ideas. So one common problem amongst affiliates, and typically amongst people that are just starting in affiliate marketing, is that they select products that they themselves consume. And I mean, this is a little different from selecting a vertical that you're passionate about. Just because you like a product, or you're willing to buy a product, or you're interested in buying a product, does not necessarily translate into other people also being interested in buying that product. So that's a common mistake that a lot of people make. But for me, one of the few things, or several things that I take a look at before deciding which affiliate product to promote. I want to look at the commission size. So I prefer to promote products that have 50% or more commission. Now I know typically those type of commissions are limited to digital products and are less typically for physical goods, because think about someone selling a widget for $100 and they give you $50. I mean, maybe they have some margin, but they also have some overhead, hosting, website design, any subscription fees or graphic design needs or content needs that they may have. So plus they have to source the product. So the chances are of getting a 50% commission on a particular product are kind of going to limit you to kind of digital products, which are fine. I mean, there are a lot of people that actually do a really good job promoting digital products via ClickBank or JVZoo, and they have tons of commissions at 50% or greater. Another thing that I really like to look at when selecting a affiliate product to promote is I like to look at a proven conversion rate. So oftentimes people can lie about this, but I like to at least deal with more reputable affiliate networks, more reputable vendors, so that I don't necessarily have to worry about someone exaggerating that their product has 75% conversion rate, because I don't think there's any product. Maybe if we started selling air, okay, maybe air might have a 75% conversion rate, and that's if people were running out of it, they'll be willing to pay right when you have some for sale. But outside of that, the chances of you having a product that has 75% conversion rate is a bit extreme. Typically even 2, 3, 4, 5% is a really good conversion rate, because I have to think for every 100 people you send, that's 5 sales. And if you're selling a decently priced product, then that should result in a nice daily affiliate income. Another thing I like to consider when looking at a affiliate product to select or promote is I want to make sure that it has kind of demand year-round, or at least a decent amount of demand year-round. A lot of products are limited to seasonality, so obviously not too many people are taking cruises to Jamaica during the dead of the summer. That's Jamaican summer. But the demand for Jamaican cruises does increase over the holidays, when we talk about November, December, January, where weather's a little more inclement than Northeast, especially here in North America. And also in Europe, a lot of people want to take nice warm vacations to the Caribbean. So if I were promoting an affiliate program through Sandals Resorts, Beach and Resorts, there'll probably be a lot of seasonality in promoting that product, because the demand for the product is very seasonal in nature. On the flip side, people do CrossFit kind of year-round. So going back with the example that I shared in previous videos regarding an affiliate program where I'm promoting the best shoes for CrossFit, that's probably something that I could promote on a yearly basis. Now, I bet you probably won't get 50%. You definitely won't get 50% commissions by selling with Reebok. So it does not meet all the criteria that I like to look at in promoting particular products. The other thing I like to look at is I want to make sure that the particular product is backed by a good affiliate program, a reputable affiliate program, and I want to make sure that they have strong support for their affiliate managers. So if I make a special request for a special graphic, for a special banner, then they can help me out with that, versus saying, oh, we don't do that kind of thing, we don't have graphics, we don't provide graphics for our affiliates. And typically, if you're making someone money, they're going to be willing to put together some custom graphics for their particular promotion in order for you to promote, because they want to ensure further success for you as an affiliate. So I also like to see how much support, how responsive is their affiliate manager. Do they even have an affiliate manager? Sometimes people throw up a sales page, slap a product up on ClickBank, and they're more of an entrepreneur. They may respond to your email, they may respond to some inquiries that you may have, but they're not going to have the full support of a full affiliate management team. And some of the larger networks, especially when you start talking about Commission Junction, Share a Sale, these typically the products listed on these networks have affiliate managers that are willing to let you know the terms of service. That's another clear thing when selecting an affiliate marketing program to promote. You want to make sure they have very clear terms of service, because you really want to make sure that you're not going to sacrifice your commissions due to violating one of these. And I have numerous occasions where I've personally violated the terms of service because the terms of service changed. I used to do really well with the MetaFast diet program. And I remember, funny that I mentioned Jamaica, I happened to be living in Jamaica at the time, and I logged into my account, and I saw that all of my commissions for the past month were deactivated. Okay, and went back to the, and I also saw that I was kicked out of the MetaFast weight loss program. So obviously I emailed my affiliate manager, what's going on? They said, oh, you have the word MetaFast in some of your page URLs. Okay, well, I'm an SEO guy. Obviously, I would want to optimize my page as well as my page URLs for the particular keyword that the article was pertaining to. So this was a change of service, and they did not announce that change of service. They just kind of let me know once I violated it, and unfortunately, they did not reverse. They kept the reversed affiliate commissions, and I mean, it was roughly around $8,000 that I lost that particular month. And I have a few other stories where I've lost $5,000 on one month due to just the changing of terms of service. So you really want to make sure that they have clear terms of service, and that's also the importance of having a really good affiliate manager, because they'll notify you that there are changes to the terms of service. So you're never getting your affiliate's account deactivated or getting your affiliate income or commissions reversed, which is a sight for sad eyes, a sight for sore eyes, definitely. So moving right along. All right, so one important thing in selecting your particular commission, your particular product, you want to make sure that, as I'm emphasized, you want to make sure that, and I'm going to reiterate this, you want to make sure that you have 50% or greater, especially for digital products. Okay, around 20% is pretty solid for physical goods. So the actual MetaFast commission was about 20%. That's actually for a physical weight loss product. Digital goods meaning an ebook, video training course, membership site, subscription. You want to make sure they have a proven conversion rate. You can typically get the conversion rate from the affiliate manager. You can also ask them the conversion rate for different types of traffic. So you'll notice that maybe paid traffic converts better on some offers, where SEO or email traffic converts better on other offers. So you want to get a clear understanding at a very granular level as far as the conversion rate information that they have. You want to have an overall conversion rate, but also see if they can segment the conversion rate out based upon the source of traffic. You also want to avoid seasonality, so you want to make sure that the product that you promote has kind of a year-round demand. Now, obviously, there may be peaks. There may be peaks for particular products, which are great, but you don't want huge falls, or cyclical programs where you're not going to get any business for a few months out of the year. That's not what you want. You obviously want to make sure that they have a good affiliate marketer so our affiliate manager, to help you with any questions that you may have regarding your affiliate program or keywords and that kind of thing. Another interesting thing that I look for, two other things, is the size of the commission. So there are actually affiliate programs out there that have huge commissions. I mean, if, for example, portable cement mixer. Okay, many of you guys probably don't even know what a portable cement mixer is. But if you were to sell one of those, you get a commission of about $150, $200, depending upon the size and the amount. Because most people that order these things, they order them in bulk. So if they click on your link, they won't only just buy one portable cement mixer. They'll buy several, especially if they're working on some type of building development, condo development, hotel, whatever. They're going to need several of these across the work site, so they won't just buy one. Also, there are affiliate programs I've seen for private jets, for charters. So for yacht charters, you get commissions off of those. So you also want to look for big buck items. So items that have huge amount of commissions. I mean, like $100, $200, $500,000 in some cases. You may need to be more of a seasoned affiliate to be accepted in some of those affiliate programs. But that nonetheless is something you should keep in the back of your mind as you start to gain more experience in affiliate marketing. And lastly, one of my suggestions in looking for a particular affiliate program is that you want to make sure that they also have some reoccurring income. So if you really think about it, 50% commission is great once, but imagine if you get 20% every month for the life that someone is a member of a particular product. And that's how a lot of affiliate companies that offer affiliate programs make money. They pay you a commission once, but they continue to rebuild. They have some type of continuity program where they're constantly billing the client on a monthly basis, but they've pretty much paid you that 1 month, but you've gotten them a client for life. So you want to look for affiliate programs that have reoccurring income. This is great, especially for things that are, consumables, things that are going to order on a monthly basis, or some type of membership site where they're going to be logging in to get new content and new training every month. Then you also continue to receive some income every month versus, hey, I got a 50% commission, and then next month you have nothing. So one of the good things about promoting programs that have reoccurring income, like I said, some continuity program where you continue to get commissions throughout the customer's purchasing horizon, is that you can get consistent sales. So some months are slow, you're not promoting, you still have that income because last month was a rock star month and you had 100 affiliate sales over the 30 days, so you continue. Now obviously people are going to drop off, maybe stop paying, so and that may result in a loss of commissions, but still you have that consistent income coming in, and that's going to be crucial because oftentimes with affiliate marketing you're doing a lot of legwork, you're doing a lot of work in the beginning, and you may not see a profit right away. So here this slide just emphasizes what I've already kind of elaborated on, is just trying to avoid products that have huge amounts of seasonality. So you want to find products that are in demand year-round. A successful marketing affiliate, wants to make money year-round. So make sure you find a product with a solid merchant affiliate program. And there are lots of sites out there with affiliate programs that take advantage of affiliate marketers promoting their products and gives little to no support. And you're going to find a lot of this, especially on a lot of the digital-based products, platforms such as JVZoo and ClickBank. They may have a very extensive affiliate, what I call kind of portal, where they let you know about keywords and banners, and they have email scripts that you can use. They have articles that you can redo and post. They may give some strategies, some training on how to fully leverage their program. And then others on ClickBank or JVZoo don't have anything. They just have, this is how you create your affiliate link. Go spam the world. And sometimes they won't even have that. So it just depends on the particular product that you're trying to emphasize. So hopefully you have a better understanding of how to go about actually selecting a particular affiliate product or per program, and you have a good idea of what to look for and what not to look for. And I'm going to end this video, but in our next video we're going to talk about leveraging SEO for affiliate marketing. So we're going to talk about some very basic SEO concepts that you can continue to look at and develop as a skill set, and then implement your affiliate promotions using those particular skill sets that you develop as a SEO. So hopefully if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, ask me any questions in discussion, or feel free to send me a message. I will talk to you in the next video. Thanks.